Listening activity.
Good morning, everyone. As you know, we've chosen you 10 staff members as the ones who are most likely to become this company's future senior managers. And as the Human Resources Director, I'm in charge of the program to prepare you for these positions. We've called it the High Flyer program. We're expecting a number of changes of personnel at the top levels before long. John Stanley, the Chief Executive, is planning to retire in the next 4 or 5 years. He helped to set up the company 30 years ago, so this will mean a major change. Directors and managers in several departments will also need to be replaced within a few years, so there'll be vacancies in a number of key posts. For example, marketing will have a few openings, and we've chosen some of you for your financial skills, as finance will require 3 or 4 specialists. IT is expanding, so there'll definitely be vacancies in that department too. An important part of the High Flyer program is that you'll attend a series of training sessions in leadership, as this is really the basis of being an effective senior manager. The sessions will cover a range of topics, from company culture to operating in a competitive market. The first session will be next Monday, and that'll deal with strategy. I'll give you more details in a minute. In addition to the training, I've arranged for each of you to work closely with a senior manager. He or she will advise you, discuss problems with you, and generally provide support. Together, you'll decide on your objectives and work out the career path that will give you the experience and knowledge to achieve them. You'll spend time in various departments, as we believe every senior manager should be familiar with all aspects of the business, not just their own area. And if all goes well, you should be ready for promotion within the next 12 months. Now, to get back to the training sessions, I'd just like to say there'll be a coffee break at